Philomena Kunk is such a wonderful character name. Yeah. When you first saw it, did...
But what does it mean? Hi, I'm Lexi, I'm a Greek language teacher, and I'll tell you what it means. And it's not really straightforward. Because it could either mean love for rage, love for intellect, or the kissed one. It's a compound, or at least it's consisted of two different parts. The first part, the philo, is pretty straightforward. This is love for, coming from philia. And you definitely know it from words like Philadelphia, brotherly love, or philosophy, love for wisdom. In modern Greek, philia means friendship, and philos means just friend. But in ancient Greek, philia was the deepest way to love someone, according to Aristotle. Problems arise with the menos part, that mena from Philomena, Philomena, right? If it comes from the ancient Greek word menos, this should be like love for rage, because maybe that's a sign. Because menos in ancient Greek was that rage that specifically warriors had in the battlefield, and it's loosely related to mania, another Greek word. Secondly, it could be love for intellect. And in that instance, it would have been a combination of a Greek word and a Latin word. Just like polyamory is a combination of a Greek word, poly, and amor, like Latin. But now we have the Greek philos and the Latin mens, like brain, from where we get words like mentality. If it's fully Greek again for the third instance and it's just the kissed one, then that menos part is just an ending for passive participles. And if you're studying Greek, you already know this, it's the menos, meni, meno, which means like the person that what the verb meant happens to them. The last one doesn't really make sense to me because it should have been philumeni, but you know, languages change. And if it was the first one, it should have been philomeni, not philomena. So I think the middle explanation is the most accurate. I don't know, I always felt like Philomena meant, you know, love for rage, specifically the rage you have in battle. But now I just was looking at it and I was like, that doesn't feel right. So I don't know, that's my take. What do you think?